A total of 203 permissions have been issued through single window system. Permissions for candidate booth beyond 100 meters from polling station have also been granted as per the ECI norms. A total of 266 complaints have been received through various channels including C-Vigil, WhatsApp and 1950 helpline, and they have been resolved in a time-bound manner. Complaints through other channels have also been addressed promptly. 3 government officials have been suspended after finding out that they have been involved in MCC violations. No election-related violence, arms, explosives, seizures or SC/ST case incident or casualties have been reported. The law and order situation remains stable and under control. For the polling duties, a total of 836 government officials have been deployed and trained. Additional deployment includes BLOs deployment per polling station, NSS volunteers, reserve polling personnel, micro observer, and the total poll day manpower exceed approximately 1600 personnel. A comprehensive pre-poll, poll day and post-poll strategy have been implemented with 3-tier security system including CAPF deployment. Under the SWEEP initiative, extensive awareness campaign have been conducted targeting PWD, transgender persons, youth and marginalized group to promote ethical voting and increased participation. Multiple communication platforms are actively utilized including district website, SMS alerts, emails and WhatsApp coordination groups and mass media channels. Comprehensive medical preparedness have been ensured through deployment of medical teams, ambulances and dedicated health control system. Polling personnel welfare have been ensured including safe working condition and emergency support. A district election control room is operational for real-time coordination and grievance redressal. Under the home voting facility, a total of 345 senior citizens and 375 PWD voters have casted their vote. Additionally, 1,467 personnel have voted through postal ballot, including the election duty and essential service personnel. A total of 1.5 lakh voter information slip have been distributed through door-to-door mechanism. A paid holiday has been declared on 9th of April and liquor shops will remain closed on 7th, 8th and 9th of April as well as on 4th of May. The 48-hour silence period has been enforced since the evening of 7th of April 2026. For ensuring peaceful and secure polling, 7 companies of CAPF, around 195 personnel from Pondicherry Police and approximately 442 personnel from District Police Force have been deployed across all the polling stations with robust security arrangements. Karaikal district has established a strong interstate border control mechanism with effective enforcement, surveillance and monitoring of vulnerable and expenditure sensitive areas. The overall preparedness is very high with a stable law and order situation and a peaceful electoral environment. All the arrangements have been made to ensure free, fair, transparent and voter-friendly election process. The polling time on 9th of April 2026 is from 7 a.m. in the morning till 6 p.m. in the evening. The voter must produce any of the following identity document apart from EPIC. If you are carrying EPIC, then that is fine. If you are not carrying EPIC, you can carry one of the 12 identity documents, which includes Aadhaar card, PAN card, unique disability ID card, service identity card, bank or post office passbook with photo, health insurance smart card, driving license, passport, smart card issued under NPR, pension document with photo, official ID card issued to MPs, MLAs or MLCs, and BB Ramji job card. In view of the prevailing summer conditions, voters are advised to take necessary precautions such as carrying water and avoid prolonged exposure to heat. All the electors of Karaikal are requested to participate in the polling process without fear and exercise their democratic right freely and confidently by casting their vote on 9th of April 2026. Thank you.